Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the workshop. Just a short video. Just wanted to show you the latest thing that I've created it basically. So a lot of you know that I do bits like bumpers and sliders and bits and bobs like that. Been doing it on a small welding plate and it's been a bit of a faff, to be quite honest. And I wanted a bigger welding table, but the ones on like Amazon, they've got huge, great big holes in them, obviously because they're designed for heavy duty workshops. So what I've done, I spent an evening on the iPad and taught myself a little bit of Fusion 360, just enough to design a table, and sent the file to a local firm who have laser cut it out for me. And this thing has come out absolutely amazing. It may not mean anything to a lot of you, but to me, this is pretty amazing. I've wanted this for a long time, and to actually sort of design it and get it fabricated has been incredible. I've TIG welded it all together as well, so it's the biggest stuff that I've TIG welded, and it's gone pretty well. But I just wanted to show you roughly what sort of vision I have for it, really. So this is one of my new builds. Yeah, excuse me, tripping over everything. This is going to be one of my new builds. And what I've been able to do is to lay it out on the table here. So I've made these fixtures as well. So the whole idea is that these slots are half the distance between these holes. So obviously I can make pretty much any chassis length or wheelbase. And then what I can do is I'm going to make all the tooling and jigs for making all sorts of sliders, bumpers, and I'm actually going to fabricate the chassis from scratch for this thing. Just no other reason than it's a bit of a challenge, really. You know, there's some great chassis out there, but they're not perfect. I'm not saying mine's going to be perfect, but it's going to be what I want. So axles are distanced at 285, which is the wheelbase for this body. All fixed in, they can't go anywhere, which is cool. And then I can just build everything around it. So what I'll do, I'll build make another one of these sort of jigs, similar in the middle, with the correct spacing for the gearbox once I've decided which one I'm using. And then I'll go from there. And then obviously when I'm making bumpers, etc., I can make different jigs. I can make, you know, if someone says, oh, I want a bumper for XYZ, I can hopefully I'll have a fixture on hand from a previous build, and with the hole spacings and what have you, and then, you know, I'll be able to produce some more stuff for any of you that are interested in that. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the video. It really does mean a lot to me. I'm not far from 1,000 subs and I'd really like to get there before Christmas. So if anybody can help me along, or, you know, tell your friends what's going on here. It may not be everybody's cup of tea. I know a lot of people are only into sort of blinging bits up. But to me, it's all about the fabrication. Hopefully most of you saw the Rccar. And you know, I built everything on that, so I'm quite proud of that as well. So yeah, have a great weekend everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one.